Hi, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today I am going to show you how you can transform your YouTube videos to your Instagram posts. Let me give you some compelling examples as to why you should repurpose your video content to Instagram posts. For business owners and influencers, Instagram allows you to directly integrate the shopping links directly to your posts, IGTV descriptions, and even stories. So if you're a YouTuber who does product reviews or even showcases, it's a great way to drive sales. Instagram stories can be highlighted on your profile, and this can make your content last longer than 24 hours. It is a great way to get more mileage out of short snippets of your YouTube videos. You can use Instagram to tease or preview your YouTube content and direct your Instagram followers directly to your YouTube channel. Instagram is a great platform to share informal videos and bloopers. So if you have your YouTube videos and you have bloopers and behind the scene content, you can share that on Instagram and build a closer relationship with your audience. For repurposing your content from YouTube to Instagram, it is very important to make sure that the artboard size of your videos reflect the social media platform that you're going for. So if you're transforming your YouTube videos to your Instagram videos, you need to change the artboard size. For that, I'm going to use a tool called Translate.Video. After uploading the video, this is the sort of interface that you'll get afterwards. Now we want to change the artboard size of a YouTube video to an Instagram post. So what we can do is, let's go to the settings page, click here on the drop down and select Instagram. And that's it. Now simply click on export and your video is ready to be uploaded on Instagram. So this is how simply you can transform your YouTube videos to Instagram posts. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.